Start. Very good morning, my dear mentees. So I'm happy to take about the topic on design thinking based case study on centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump. So we all know what is meant by pump. The pump is a machine which can transfer fluid from lower region to upper region, lower stream to upper stream. That is what called a pump. So here, this pump would have developed based on the design thinking. Can anyone say what is the first stage? What is the first stage of design thinking? Empathize. Okay. Second, empathy define. Okay. Third one is fourth, prototype. Fifth is testing and evaluation. Okay. So these are the 5 stages of design thinking. So can anyone say how the pump would have been initially conceived? பம்ப் வந்து பம்ப் தேவை அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எப்படி கன்சீவ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க அந்த ஐடியா பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த விச் ஸ்டேஜ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் என்னது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் என்னப்பா empathy. Based on the first stage, they would have designed what is the need in a chart, in a survey form. They would have asked you, sir, please fill this and give it to me for improvement. There you can mention what is the need for you. So in the initial time, they would have given like that. So that is what called empathy. So during the empathy, they would have conceived first stage. Conceiving idea from survey. Okay, that too we are seeing now here is centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump. There are several types of pumps are available. Centrifugal pump is a special because it is having the impeller which rotates with the force which is giving from the current. Actually, pump is a power absorbing machine. Power absorbing machine which will consume the electricity. So for that we have to pay the bill. Okay. So first stage they conceive the idea. Second stage survey. From the survey they will define it. So they will conceive several idea from the different vendors, different stakeholders. It may be a domestic person, it may be agriculture person, it may be a scientist man. From all of them, we will collect a survey. After that, they will sit in a council. They will decide what to do. There, they come to a single problem, single point of the problem. There, they will define what is the problem. Problem statement, there they will decide. Second stage. During the third stage, they will make an idea. They want the proof of concept. They will have an idea. The team will sit together. Okay, we defined the problem. We found the problem. This is the need. We have to suck the water from the downstream and supply to the overhead. That is the need. They would have found it. After that, what they will do? They will sit in the council again. They have to make it. They need a proof. If you pour a water from top, it will going down. There is a proof for that because of gravity. That is a proof of concept. Like that, they will come to know that these are the concepts we have to follow. In that stage, idea, they will make an idea. These are the procedure we have to follow. These are the methods we have to follow. This all will be carried out during the ideate stage. Okay, so they will follow the proof of concept. Proof of concept means, as I said, if you throw a ball from the third floor, it will fall down. It will not go up because it is having already proved that because of gravity, ball is falling down. Correct. So everything has that proof. If you write a pen, the fluid which is having, the pen which is having fluid